Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam. We have our winter Fabfitfun unboxing today. I'm so excited. I literally woke up this morning and I saw this and I was like, I need to find out what's in here. I am so excited. As a reminder, I do have codes down below, so feel free to click on those to purchase your own. This is my third time doing this, so I will link the other ones down below if you guys wanted to see what was in the fall and spring boxes. Here are my codes on the screen as well. If you guys want to see a shorter version of this, you can check out my TikTok and my Instagram. Both are samantha.hope. Let's not spend too much time on the semantics. Let's get into the box. I get so excited. This is like the best part. Wait, it's a wreath. That is so cute. All right guys, let's get this haul underway. Okay, the first item is beyond unreal. I'm so excited about this. It is a Tory Burch belt. It has the little emblem right here. If you guys don't know, I am a big gold girl, so this will work perfectly with just like everything I wear. It is such a well-made belt. I feel like this is gonna be a staple piece in my wardrobe for years to come. I'm so excited about this. Not much to say about this other than honestly just like a really good staple piece that I will have forever. So that's awesome. Next item. I am so excited about this. I've been wanting to try Lemme vitamins for such a long time. I haven't really been able to justify the price, to be honest. They're kind of expensive, so getting it in a box is perfect. That way I can try it and see if I like it. This one is Lemme Curb, so it's essentially just like to make sure you're not randomly eating if you're not hungry kind of thing. This is probably not for everyone, keep that in mind, but I think it's cool. I'm excited to try it. I'm excited to see if it works. I am someone who like, I will just eat whenever, so it's kind of nice to be like, hey, this will help me balance my meals. Very excited about this. Our next item. Anyone who knows me knows I am obsessed with my ice roller. I love it. I get headaches a lot, so it's super nice to be able to use it and just like go over my head and like, I don't know, it just feels really good. I feel like this is also gonna feel really good. I'll open it up and show you, but it has spikes on it. So like this, they're not painful. The spikes are kind of dull. So it feels like silicone, so it should be easy to wash if like you get any product on it. Up next, these are from Tower 28. I believe these are the lippies. This is this tube. I think this is great because obviously you can wear this on your lips, but you could even apply it as blush, which is awesome. This one being kind of a deeper color, I feel like I could use it as contour, especially in the winter. This might not work as a contour for everyone, but I'm very pale, so this would work for me. But this could also look really nice as a blush or on your lids or even lips. I think this is super pretty. I love Tower 28, so I'm excited about both of these items. Our next item, it is this smoothing and brightening under eye cream. I have been really into trying to get my skin to be more moisturized, so I think this will feel really good on my skin. I think especially in the winter I need so much moisture on my skin, so this will be great. This is so like fancy lady to me. Like, I feel like such a woman. It smells nice, but it doesn't smell strong. Like, it kind of just smells like cream. I don't know how else to explain it. So if you're sensitive to scents, I don't think that'll be an issue at all. Our final item is this Hunter hat. Hunter as in the brand. This is just a winter hat. I am very excited about this. I feel like hats in general, like any type of winter accessories, they are the last thing I want to spend my money on, but having quality pieces makes suffering through winter far more bearable. And I feel like this will allow me to feel like I'm not dying, and that's phenomenal. I think that is so cute. It feels really soft. It also is quite stretchy. I don't know how else to explain that, but it has like the little Hunter emblem here. It's kind of hard to see with my hair being dark and the hat being dark as well, and even the emblem, but I think it looks really good. I'm excited to wear this and keep warm in the winter months. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I love every single item that was in my box this month. If you guys are interested in subscribing to Fabfitfun, I will have the codes down below. This box was sent to me by Fabfitfun, which was awesome of them. It was very kind, but that does not influence my opinions. If I didn't like some of these items, I would totally let you guys know. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to follow me on my other social media, which are samantha.hope. All right guys, I will catch you in my next video. Bye!